collective inspiration means to me.
When I think of the word collective inspiration,
the phrase collective inspiration to me means...
Have you ever been in a room with a bunch of Black people when swag surfing comes on? And like everyone's chanting A like it's a spell? Like to me, collective inspiration is the energy that's in us.
People want to see a vision come to life.
Us bringing our creative niches together to create.
You have to trust your team, and I believe that is what made this shoot amazing.
My name is Janelle. I'm Jamaican. I grew up in South Florida. I've been living in LA for about 4 years now. The collaborative process for this shoot started off with just submitting a Pinterest board. I remember the first Zoom call. We kind of just talked about the ideas. I talked about my inspiration and talked about makeup and what collaborative processes we can do with that. Just looking at different ideas, like going back and forth. Everyone's so creative, so passionate.
I'm Nicole, I go by Nikki. I was raised in Long Beach, California. For this shoot, we're working on a really fun, energetic, colorful concept, really highlighting the makeup from like the 20s and the 70s, really just seeing Black women in that retro style, which is not something we always get to see in magazines.
My name is Jasmine Marie, and I'm the creative director. So the essence of today's shoot is showcasing Black and brown in situations of leisure versus luxury. A lot of us view luxury as name brands and labels and spending a lot of money, but I've been really working to redefine how that could look for people of color. Because if you really think about it, leisure is the ultimate luxury. The ability to dictate your time and your schedule, it's really trying to redefine luxury as experiencing life.
Well, I was born in Nigeria. I got here through a visa lottery. In my track history, I guess you would say, there's work that I've done, obviously, with like big brands and like photographers and things like that. But my biggest thing that I love to focus on, how I reach people and empower them to tell their stories.
So my name is Diamond Mahone Bailey, and I am originally from San Antonio, Texas. The creative community here in Dallas is very supportive. Everyone's willing to really collaborate and work together and help you if you need a resource. I have relied on that to kind of help my career get to where it is now.
I'm Imani. I'm a photographer, and I'm shooting the cover for Crown Mag.
Being a Black creative in New York is rough. It feels very limited, and I want to convey that Black women are more than what we are stereotyped to be.
my name is Gloria Johnson. I'm a stylist. I want to take sexy and strong and just change the narrative of what that looks like. A lot of times when we see Black models depicted, it's over-sexualized. We can be sexy without being overly provocative. And that's the message of today, a strong Black woman in fashion, Afrocentric, yet high fashion at the same time, merging the two worlds together and making a new recipe.
Crown Mag is really, I believe, pushing the envelope when it comes to the Black story of beauty, hair, lifestyle.
I'm somebody that is for the progression of all Black people, specifically Black creatives.
Telling the story, our story, correctly, one that's uplifting, powerful. Like, Black people are so many things. We're strong, we have vulnerable moments, we're creatives. Like, everything I feel like Black people create just is magical, and it's about time that we are at the forefront of what we have to create and offer to the world.
As being a Black woman, I love to see publications who are really looking out for us and trying to put us on.
It's really hard to find a brand that's actually authentic in an age where authenticity is bought and sold. And so having an organization, a brand like Crown Mag, come into these spaces and actually create areas for creators to be able to express themselves in their most natural state, to me, there's nothing more authentic than that. It's not a look, it's not an aesthetic, it's literally their DNA.